welcome to my channel, Teach Me Physics. Here today I am going to talk about the Big Four. The Big Four kinematic equations that can be used to predict unknown information about an object's motion. The kinematic equations are a set of four equations. It can be utilized for any motion that can be described as number one, constant velocity motion. That means acceleration is zero. Also, a second category where we can use these equations are constant acceleration motion. So the kinematic equations can be categorized into four. The equation can be utilized for any motion that can be described as constant acceleration motion. That means acceleration is zero. Constant velocity motion. That means acceleration is zero, which is moving with the constant velocity. And also for constant acceleration motion, that means acceleration is there, velocity is changing at a constant rate. So there is an important note here. The kinematic equations can never be used over any time period during which acceleration is changing. The kinematic equations can never be used over any time period during which the acceleration is changing. So acceleration can either be zero or can be constant. If the acceleration is changing, we cannot use kinematic equations. Each of the four kinematic equations include four variables, and if we know three of these variables, then the fourth one can be calculated. For example, if the acceleration and the initial and final velocities values of a skidding car is known, then the displacement of the car and the time can be predicted. This is just an example. The four kinematic equations that describe an ocean are: V. The four kinematic equations that describe motion are: V is equal to U plus AT. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, T is time. S is equal to UT plus half AT square, where S is the displacement. Again, one more equation for S, that is S is equal to U plus V by 2 into T. And finally, the fourth equation is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. The problem solving strategy. So there is a steps, or there is a number of steps that should be followed for solving the problems. Construct a diagram of the physical situation. Identify and list the given information. Identify and list the unknown information. Identify and list the equation to determine the unknown information. Substitute the values into the equation. Solve the equation for the unknown information. These are the strategies that should be followed. Hope you all understood about the kinematic equations. I will be back with the most interesting problems in kinematic equations. Thank you for watching.